Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 15th of March. I'm James Spann. After a frosty start this morning, a warming trend begins later today. And over the weekend, some rain, but the news not all bad. Let's dive in and discuss. That's the upper air look. That big trough that's been sitting over the eastern states will be lifting out, allowing a warming trend to begin later today. But cold this morning, Gadsden 26. Anniston 28, freezing for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. But despite this frosty start, we're expecting highs in the upper 60s today, a very nice warm-up. And around the nation, still cold for the eastern states, but again, temperatures will moderate. But another trough sets up next week over the eastern states. That'll pull down more of this unseasonably cold air by Wednesday and Thursday. That's a watch warning map around the nation. Of course, a lot of freeze warnings in effect for this morning down here in the deep south, but this will be the last freeze for a few days. Check the severe weather outlook. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow night. Day 2, we've got a risk of severe storms mainly west of the state, from Memphis down to Jackson, Monroe, and Shreveport. That's the standard risk. A marginal risk does extend into extreme northwest Alabama, but the overall severe weather threat even there is fairly low. This is day 3. This is for Saturday. We've got a marginal risk west of the state. In fact, we'll expand that out. That runs basically from central Mississippi back into central Texas. And on day 4, which is Sunday, we have a risk of severe storms west of the state. Again, from central Mississippi back up to Oklahoma City and southern Kansas. There is no risk defined beyond this for Monday. We'll take a look at this as we go. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. California looks wet. And down here in the deep south, we're fairly wet. Rain amounts will likely exceed 1 inch, basically in the 1 to 2 inch range for much of the state. So let's sort this out. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. Troughing basically on either coast, ridging in between. A very dry air mass, and again, a nice warm-up today. Will be in the upper 60s later today with a sunny sky. Now, tomorrow, a deep surface low sets up over Kansas, and that'll set the stage for a chance of severe storms for parts of Arkansas over to Memphis, Jackson, Shreveport. For us, I think the day mostly dry. Then we'll have a chance of showers and storms tomorrow night. And then Saturday, the surface low weakens. The surface boundary should be south of here. And again, I think a decent part of the day Saturday will be dry. Let's check the high-resolution NAM. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow, and really it's not showing much. It's kind of backed off on the chance of rain tomorrow afternoon. So again, tomorrow increasingly cloudy. Small chance of a shower late in the day. The high will be in the upper 60s, maybe approaching 70. Let's go to Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. Weakening front coming in. And again, there clearly could be some showers around, maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe weather. And the rain, maybe not all that widespread, but there could be some rain early Saturday morning. And then by Saturday at midday, there's just not much. So at this point, Saturday, a decent part of the day looking dry. The sun may be popping out at times, and if the sun breaks out, we could see upper 70s. Be a pretty warm day. Let's go to Sunday, and again, this is the GFS, and it looks pretty dry here. Sunday highs well up in the 70s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, only an outside chance of a shower during the day. But Sunday night at midnight, the rain comes right back. Got a deep surface low that's over northwest Oklahoma. This is suggesting a big batch of rain and storms coming in here. And then Monday, that surface low is north of Memphis with a cold front coming in. And again, there might be some strong storms in there. This is the instability Monday at midday, and there's an axis of instability through here, but remains to be seen if we have any severe weather threat. We'll have to see how it plays out. We'll watch the parameters, but it clearly looks like the bottom line is for the weekend, a decent part of the day, Saturday and Sunday, should be dry. Maybe a big batch of rain and storms Sunday night into Monday morning, and those could be strong. We'll keep an eye on that. Tuesday, the surface low is east of here. We start to turn cooler. I think we'll be in the 50s all day. There could be some backwash-type light rain for the northern part of the state. And then Wednesday, another nor'easter tries to form off the east coast. Wednesday looks breezy and cool. Highs only in the 50s. Probably start the day in the 30s. And this is a week from today. There's your eastern trough again. And again, we're in very cool air. We could see temperatures at the freezing mark early Thursday morning with at least a chance of some frost. So I don't think we've seen the last freeze yet. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday the 24th. A zonal flow and a fairly weak surface low north of here with some risk of showers. Check the numbers. You can see the weekend warmth with highs up in the 70s, but the numbers drop next week with 50s for highs on Wednesday and Thursday. And again, don't be shocked if we have a frost or freeze threat at some point next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday morning. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.